Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Binance. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Just head on to your Binance accounts, and then from there all you have to do is go to your wallets and then go to funding, and where you go to P2P transactions. So from there all you have to do is basically search for payment and then search for Wise. So I usually do this whenever I'm going to transact using Wise, but as of the moment they're not really found here anymore. So I don't know what happened, maybe it's a new update, but usually it's found there, so I can pay with my Wise account. So as you can see, there's also Zelle and even bank transfers and more, but I usually use Wise too. So as you can see, whenever you do that, you can just select it from here right now. As you can see, you can buy some currency of your choice. So there you go guys. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.